Hi, boys and girls. Let's get started with our reading. Let's warm up with our letters and sounds. Here we go. Ang, I, f, k, s, ing, ong, sh, ang, ing, j, w, ing, d, unk, ch, ing, f, ang. All right, great job, boys and girls. Go ahead and press pause, and then practice your sounds, then press play when you're ready. All right, let's take a look at the sounds that we're working on this week. This week, we're working on magic silent E. Remember, when that silent E gets at the end of the word, it doesn't make any noise at all, but it makes the other vowel say its name. A, apple, A. A, safe, A. E, ed, E. E, Pete, E. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. O, octopus, ah. O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, O. U, rule, O. Good job, boys and girls. Let's practice reading some magic silent E words. All right, we'll start by reading the word that doesn't have a magic silent E. Then we'll move to the word that has the magic silent E. Cross off the E to make the vowel long. Ready? Here we go. Can. Cane. Wag. Wage. Pet. Pete. Hop. Hope. Kit. Kite. Tub. Tube. Con. Cone. Knot. Note. All right, boys and girls. Later, you will seesaw yourself reading all of those words to me. Let's look at our reading for today. We read the zoo trip yesterday. Today we're going to read it again, and then we're going to stretch our thinking and answer some questions about it. I'd like you to first listen to me read the zoo trip. The zoo trip. Jill got up one morning very happy. It was the day her class had a trip to the zoo. She jumped out of bed and got ready. Then she ran downstairs, ate breakfast, and got on the bus for school. During the ride, she talked to her friends about their good day. When the class got to the zoo, Jill walked around with her group. They saw elephants, tigers, giraffes, and monkeys. Jill liked the zebras the best. There were 6 of them. They were eating grass and walking around. Jill loved their stripes. The last thing Jill did at the zoo was taking a picture of the zebras. She couldn't wait to show her family the best part of her zoo trip. All right, boys and girls, I want you to press pause, and I want you to read this passage all on your own. When you're done, press play so we can answer some questions. All right. Let's look at the questions. The first one says, first we're going to be stretching your thinking. So we're going to think about things that might not have a definite answer in the story. We're going to have to think about what the answer might be. So the first question says, how would you describe the feelings of the kids on the bus in the morning? So think about that. The kids are on the bus, they're on their way to school, and they're going to go on a field trip to the zoo. How do you think they are feeling? Go ahead and write a sentence, a complete sentence, telling me how the kids felt in the morning. Your sentence might say, the kids on the bus in the morning were feeling, and then tell me how they were feeling about going to the zoo. Press pause, and when you're ready for the next question, press play. All right, let's look at the next question. The next question says, after Jill takes her picture, what might happen next? Well, think about that. The last thing Jill did was take a picture of the zebras. So what would happen after that? What do you think might happen? They're on a field trip, they're at the zoo, they take their last picture, and then what are they going to do? Go ahead and write a sentence to tell me what you think might happen next. So you might say, after Jill takes her picture, and then tell me what happens next. Press pause, answer the question. When you're ready, press play, and I'll read the last question to you. All right, here's the last question. It's, what would happen if Jill lost her camera? What would she tell her family? Well, you think about that. If you took a trip to the zoo and you lost your camera, what would happen? What would you tell your family? Go ahead and write an answer to those questions. Make sure it's a complete sentence. So, if Jill lost her camera, she might, tell me what she might do. And she would tell her family, tell me what she would tell her family. All right, boys and girls, good work today. Go ahead and finish up this last question. Put your work back in your folder. And don't forget, you're going to seesaw yourself reading those words to me. Great job.